Welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, we'll explain how to add a hard drive to PC on Windows 10 and make sure your new or external drive shows up correctly on your computer. Step 1. Click on the search icon on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. This helps you quickly find system tools and utilities. Step 2. Type Disk Management into the search box. This tool is used to manage drives, partitions, and storage settings in Windows. Step 3. Click on Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions from the search results. This opens the disk management window where all connected drives are listed. Step 4. Locate the hard drive that does not have a drive letter assigned. You can identify it by checking the storage size and status. Step 5. Right-click on the hard drive that is having the issue. This opens a context menu with options to modify the drive settings. Step 6. Click on Change Drive Letter and Paths. This option allows Windows to assign or modify a letter for the selected drive. Step 7. Click on Add or Change to begin assigning a drive letter. This step is required if the drive is not visible in File Explorer. Step 8. Click on the drop-down menu and select a drive letter of your choice. The drive letter is how Windows recognizes and accesses the drive. Step 9. Click on OK to apply the changes. Windows will now update the drive settings. Step 10. Click on Yes to confirm the changes when prompted. After this, the hard drive should appear and be accessible on your PC. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tutorials.